Hello everyone and welcome to training tutorial number 1 of the lathe training tutorial series. As you can see here, I've already gone and established my grid under grid settings and changed my default wireframe color to a dark blue. I did this by going through the getting started section at the beginning of this training tutorial. It is also important to note that once you've gone through configuration, you need to go to view and then select show grid in order for the grid to appear. With that being said, let's get started on tutorial number 1. Come up to the top and select Wireframe. Under Wireframe, select Rectangle. A dialog box will appear. Change the width to -5 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Then, change the height to 1.625 and hit Enter on your keyboard again. Once this is done, come up to the top here and select this drop-down menu beside Auto Cursor and select the origin. Your part should snap to the origin. Also, come to the graphics interface here, right-click, and select Fit. This will fit the geometry to your screen. Once you are happy with this, select OK. For the next step, we will be creating parallel lines. Come up to the top and select Line Parallel here. Once you have this selected, select this line off to the side and sketch it somewhere on the left-hand side. Insert the distance 1.375 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Select this button at the top. Again, select this entity here and sketch it to the left-hand side. Insert a distance of 0.375 and again hit Enter on your keyboard. Select this entity here and sketch it to the left-hand side. Enter a distance of 3.125 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Next, select this line here and sketch it to the right. This time, enter a value of 1.25 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Select this horizontal line down here and sketch above it. Enter a value of 0.625 and hit Enter on your keyboard again. Select this horizontal line again and sketch north of it and enter the distance 0.875 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Select this horizontal line one last time and select above it, and this time insert the value 1.25 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Once this is done, come up to the top and select the green button, OK. From here, come up to Wireframe and select Line Endpoints. Select this intersection here and select this intersection here to create that line. Once this is done, come over to the green button again and select it. Come up to the top and make sure Wireframe is selected. Under the Modify group, select Fillet Entities. The dialog box will appear on the left-hand side. If you have a radius of 0.25, that is the correct amount, just hit Enter on your keyboard. Select Entity A to Entity B, following your training tutorial, Entity C to Entity D, again following your training tutorial. Hit Enter to finish. Come over to the left-hand side, Fillet Entities, and change the radius this time to 0.0625 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Once this is done, we're going to select Entity E to F and select OK when finished. Your part should look like this. Once this is done, come up to the top and make sure Wireframe is selected. Under the Modify group, select Trim Break Extend. In the Trim Break Extend dialog box on the left-hand side, select Trim Two Entities. Once Trim Two Entities is selected, select this horizontal line to this vertical line. Select this line to this line, and select this line to this line. Your part should look as shown. We will then select this line to this line as well. Come over to the left-hand side and select Divide/Delete, and select entity A and entity B. Come up to the top here and select OK when done. Your part should look like this. Come up to the top and select File. Select Save As, and find an appropriate spot to save this. I'm going to name mine Tutorial 1-Lathe and hit the Save button.